Text: Troubleshooting ice and water odor from an LG refrigerator. LG refrigerator. Subtitles:
Troubleshooting ice and water odor from an LG refrigerator.
A bar at the bottom of the screen that shows the progress of the video. The sections read as follows and in this order: Intro, newly installed units, older units. Image: a small boy serves himself water from the refrigerator. His mother smiles at him from the counter.
If you are noticing an odor in the water or ice from your LG refrigerator, it is important to note that this is not caused by the internal components of the unit. LG refrigerators are designed using non-transferable food-grade materials so that tastes and odors cannot be transferred to water or ice.
Green waves irradiate out from a glass of water at the refrigerator self-serve.
However, strange smells can be imparted to the water or ice from a few sources. In this video, we'll go over troubleshooting, important information and tips that can help you recognize and resolve the issue. If this is a newly installed refrigerator, flush about 2 gallons of water through the dispenser and discard it.
Blue liquid and debris in the tubes along the backside of the refrigerator.
This will help purge any debris or sediment from the refrigerator's water line system. If the ice maker is being used for the first time, it is recommended to dispose of the first 2 full bins of ice.
A blue tube that runs along a beam of wood.
Next, make sure the water line that connects the unit to the home valve is food-grade PEX line. This is the same type of line that LG uses in the manufacturing of the unit. Food-grade PEX will not transfer unwanted tastes or odors.
A box with an LG water filter.
Always use only genuine LG branded water filters in your unit. Other filter brands may be less expensive, but will not be of the same quality as a genuine LG filter.
Installs LG filter into the refrigerator.
If you are not accustomed to drinking filtered water, the water and ice may taste and smell different to you. Most new refrigerators have a built-in bypass, so the filter can be removed and the unit will still dispense water and make ice. You can remove the filter if you like the taste and smell of unfiltered water and ice. If you have a water softener or reverse osmosis system and there is odor in the water, it may be time to inspect and maintain the system.
A manual. Logo: 3M. Text: 3M WTS series water softeners.
Please refer to the owner's manual for your water softener or RO system for details. Water softeners can affect the taste and smell of the ice too. In its liquid state, the water softener has no taste or smell, but when frozen, the chemical properties change.
Somebody pours red juice over an ice cube.
If the ice is placed into a drink, the chemical gets released into the drink, affecting the taste and smell.
Water in a reservoir.
Note that the water source can affect the taste and smell of the water coming from the unit. While LG water filters are designed to improve the taste of the water, they do not filter out everything that can cause odor or taste issues. For example, well and spring water systems can have strong organic and/or chemical smells depending on how they are treated. If the water source has impurities that affect the taste or smell, a water purification system will be required. In addition to the information for new installs, if you have had the unit for a while and you are noticing an odor in the water and ice, the first step is to make sure there are no open or unsealed food containers or packages anywhere in the fridge or freezer. These can transfer smells to the ice, and if you use ice in drinks, it could make your drinks smell strange. Always seal food containers tightly.
A hand twists a jar lid shut.
Make it a point to clean the inside of the unit regularly and use baking soda or fridge and freezer deodorizers. Do not use open containers of baking soda, as this can allow the baking soda to be stirred up and circulated throughout the unit. Note that fridge and freezer deodorizers are designed to reduce fridge odor and are 50 times stronger than baking soda.
A green circular apparatus stuck to the back of the refrigerator in the inside.
Verify that the water line connecting the unit to the home valve is food-grade PEX line, as previously stated. After that, flush out 2 gallons through the dispenser, then taste and smell the water again. If there is no improvement, dispense 2 more gallons. If the taste and smell still do not improve, pull the refrigerator out unplug it, turn off the water valve, and disconnect the water line from the unit. Once disconnected, turn the valve on and taste and smell the water directly from the line. If it has the same taste and smell, the problem is the line or the source. If the taste and smell are gone, check the refrigerator water filter. Filter life depends on usage and the quality of the water source. If the source has hard water, the filter will get clogged faster. If you drink a lot of filtered water, the filter life may be reduced. Every filter has a gallon limit. LG recommends that you change your filter every 6 months or more often as needed. An impacted water filter can transfer a strange smell and taste to your water. Lastly, stale ice can affect the taste and smell of drinks. If ice is used infrequently, we recommend transferring fresh ice into storage bags that seal, so it does not have a chance to go stale. While stale ice is still safe to use, it is not pleasant to drink or smell. If you have checked and performed all these troubleshooting steps and the issue still remains, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page.
LG website. Text, request a repair.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website.
New screen. Icons, Twitter, Facebook, message, email, phone.
Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Disclaimer, this video